Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. If you're getting the permanently limited on your PayPal account notification, I want to show you a very quick fix to go ahead and make sure you can receive payments. So let's go. The first thing you want to do is log into your PayPal account, and up on the right hand side of the screen you will see your name, and you can now navigate over here and click on account settings. Now once you have clicked on account settings, you will get into this page over here. Now once you're in this page, you can see right at the bottom of this page there is limits, and currently it says there are no limits on my account. However, you can go ahead onto the right hand side and click on view, and this will allow you to see all of the limits that are on your account. These limits will include the limits that were put on initially to increase the security on your account. You can go ahead now, and wherever you see the notification, you will actually be able to change that limit right over here. So if you want to go one further, at the bottom of the page there is a lift limit, and over here you can go ahead and enter in banking details if you have not already, and then you will be prompted to enter in some billing information as well as address information, and then the permanently limited notification will be removed after some time. This will take some time because it'll have to be processed by a PayPal consultant, and it'll be looked at individually. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.